Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to see who follows you on Facebook. The Facebook app provides a convenient way to manage your account, friends, and followers from your phone or tablet. The browser version also allows you to do the same, except letting you see followers. To view Facebook profile followers, tap the menu or profile icon in the upper right corner. Then, tap your account name to view your profile. Under Details, tap See Your About Info. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to go to the Followers section. And then, tap See All to expand the list. And that's it. Your Facebook friends are people with whom you have a mutual connection. They send the request and you accept it, indicating consent. Afterward, you follow each other automatically and can see one another's posts. Also, any of you may unfollow each other and at any moment. Followers are people who choose to receive updates on your posts. They can see your content on their new feeds, whether you're friends or not. This aspect is where Instagram's follower removal system wouldn't be helpful. When someone unfollows you or you do the same, Facebook doesn't inform anyone. You must check your followers list to see if it's increased or dwindled. It's not as apparent as the friends list and you may miss it. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.